Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cook my banga stew. This is banga stew made in diaspora. If you are in abroad and you don't know how to prepare your OFE AKWU, your banga stew with canned palm kernel, this video right here is what you need. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is the main cocoa, the banga palm fruit extract you need for this banga stew. Okay, the next one is our protein. This is chicken. You can use any protein of your choice. This is pepper ose blended with ogiri. Okay, and this is my spinach. I washed it well. This is my crayfish, blended crayfish, and this is my local ogiri, our local maggi. And here is our local spices. If you are from eastern part of Nigeria, you know what is ehu and ehuru. This is blended spices. Okay, and here is our scent leaf. This is nchanwu, the dried one. Of course, I can't have the fresh one here. And these are other spices that I'm going to be needing to spice up my protein, my chicken: thyme, curry, benny, mivina, salt, maggi chicken cube, and my onion. OFE AKWU needs much of onion, lots of onion. Okay, so be ready to put lots of onion. And here is my dry fish. Yes, I'll be using this dry fish for all the yummy goodness you want in it. And this is my stock fish also. So these are all the ingredients and items I'm going to be using in making this banga stew. Okay, so let's get right into the cooking. So the next one is to get a clean pot and add all your meat into the pot. So as you are doing that now, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video so YouTube can recommend it. Okay, all these are for free. Subscribe, like, it's free. Okay, and comment if you are going to be trying this recipe. So the next thing is to add all the spices into your meat, into the stock, into your protein, anyone. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. After adding the spices, cover and let it steam. After steaming, check it back, stir the meat so it will mix up with the spices and all of that good stuff. Okay, after giving it a good stir, I'm going to be adding my water. This red water is from the pepper that I blended. Okay, then add clean water into it and add it up, so maybe to the level of the meat. I just added the water to the level of the meat. Cover and let it cook. Now the meat is already done. I'm going to stir and put it aside or set it aside. After that, set the meat aside and add up the water to the level you want the soup to be. Okay, so after adding the water, the next thing I'm going to do is to add the banga extract. Now I'm going to be adding it while the water is boiling, so it will boil together. So after adding the banga extract, the palm kernel, I'm going to be adding my onion. Why I'm adding this onion? Because I want the thickness, like I want this soup to be a little bit thick, not that thick, but the onion is going to help with the thickness. That's what I said earlier, that banga stew needs lots of onion. Okay, so the soup is already boiling. So while the soup is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and fry this chicken because I want that taste of fried chicken. Okay, you can leave yours if you don't want to fry it. So after that, I'm going to add my stock fish and my dry fish. So this oil on top of this stew is as a result of the soup is cooking. It's already bringing out that oil that you want. So after that, I'm going to add my local ehu and ehu, my local seasoning, other spices, salt, or my pepper, ghee, all of that. Everything is going to boil together. So after adding the spices, I'm going to give it a good stir and allow it to continue boiling. So here we still have our chicken, our well fried chicken. It's not too dry, just a little bit. Okay, I'll start adding it to my stew or soup, anyone. Okay, you can see how this soup is like boiling on our sopoto. In my language, we used to say on our sopoto. That poto is everything for me. Okay, so at this point, I know you have subscribed to this channel and you have liked this video. If you're in diaspora and you are looking for a way to cook your banga stew, this video right here is going to save you a whole lot. Very simple, well detailed, and all that you need to make your banga stew the bomb. Okay, so after adding it, I'm going to give it a good stir. Yes, I'm going to give it a good stir. Check if the salt is okay, if the seasoning is okay, if you still need pepper and all of that. The color is everything. So while it's still boiling, I'm going to add my nchanwu, my scent leaf. Yes, this scent leaf is everything in OFE AKWU, in banga stew. Okay, give it a good stir and allow it to boil for some time. So allow it to boil for some time. Check it back, it's boiling. I think I should leave you guys to hear the sound of this poto. This poto they sweet me for belle. Oh, it is sweet oh. So the aroma in my kitchen, in my whole house, I trust my neighbors will be wondering what type of food is this woman is cooking today. Okay, so after that, I'm going to add my beautiful spinach, just to make the color so beautiful, so amazing, so wonderful. Yeah, so I added my spinach and I'm going to give it a good stir. Hey, OFE AKWU abayri also n'ife na-eme. OFE AKWU nwaanyị Nnewi. In Igbo land, they said the Nnewi sabi cook OFE AKWU. I don't know, but I've tested OFE AKWU in Nnewi and it was bomb. So I trust in the Nnewi in my comment section. My subscribers from Nnewi, tell me how I did, how I outdid myself for Untitled, because this thing that you are seeing here, OFE AKWU abayri. Like 10 over 10. You don't even need to tell me. It's 10 over 10. So guys, rate this OFE AKWU on the comment section. Okay, I'll be there to answer you all. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe, like it, because I know you love it. Leno fakun sirono. Kedi foze echoro, kedi foze echoro. Leno fakun. OFE AKWU ne bebe. Hey guys, I trust you guys. This OFE AKWU did not last. It did not last. Like, let me just say 1 week plus. Okay, we are 3, but this OFE AKWU it did not last though, because the sweetness, the everything. You know, when you cook OFE AKWU on Sunday in an African home, just know that Sunday is special, because you bring out your time to cook OFE AKWU, unlike stew that you just do back and it is done. But OFE AKWU, you have to bring out your time, your energy, your strength. Like, you have to give it time if you want to see that result that you want. Give OFE AKWU your time. So this is our result, and I trust you guys enjoyed and love what you are seeing. The color is amazing. The color is everything, guys. OFE AKWU. Can you tell that this OFE AKWU was not prepared with the pancake? You guys know. I beg, rate me in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.